The TikTok creativity program is actually breaking the internet right now. Teenagers are making a significant amount of money with it every month. There's no doubt it's the best money-making method at the moment, but it has one big problem. It's only available in big countries such as the US, France, or the UK, which means you can't really access it if you're outside those countries. However, I've got you covered. I will leave a link in the description. To get accepted into the program, you will need these requirements. So, in this video, I will show you how to actually make up to $10,000 per month only using a couple of AI tools. I will show you how to choose the niche and give you a PDF file that has some different niches you can choose from. I will even show you the entire step-by-step process to make very unique video types. Let's go generate 100% original animation videos. To do that, we will first generate the story with ChatGPT and the voiceover using Creato AI. After that, we will generate images using Leonardo AI, then animate them with Runway. Then, we will put everything together and edit it to look cool. Now, the first step is the script. So, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an imaginary short story for you. After that, hit enter. Make sure the script is at least 1 minute long. Now, go to Creato AI, click on Start for free, and enter your account. Now on the homepage, click on AI Text Dubbing. After that, choose the voice that you like and paste the first paragraph of the script. I prefer to paste it one by one to make sure that the voice is generated correctly and repeat the process for all the paragraphs. I will fast forward a little bit. After you're done with the voiceover, hit back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you prompts to generate images related to the script. After you finish, go to Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation. Choose 2 images and 9:16 for the TikTok video. For the model, choose 3D animation style and paste the first prompt ChatGPT gave you. Click on Generation. Here we are. I like the first one, so I will download it and repeat the process for all the prompts. After you finish, we need to animate our pictures. So go to Runway and sign up for a free account. On the homepage, scroll down and click on Image to Video. Click on Upload a File and upload the first picture. Wait until it's uploaded, then click Generate. After that, click on the Delete button, upload the second image, and repeat the process for all the images. Now, after we finished with the videos, we need a background music. So, go to pixabay.com, search for Calm Music, choose the one that you like, and download it. Now we have all the ingredients to make our video. So, open CapCut and upload all your assets. After that, drag all the voiceovers to the timeline and remove the silent part. I'll be back after I finish. Now, drag the videos that we made with Runway to the timeline and make them fit with the video length. To do that, select one, go to speed, and decrease the times to 0.1. You can play with it until it fits. Now, for the background music, drag it to the timeline and make it fit with the video length. In the basic section, decrease the volume to 20, and that's it. Now, because it's a TikTok video, we need the viewers to stay as long as possible in the video. To make that happen, we need captions to engage the users with the video. So, go to Text, click on Auto Caption, select a language, and click on Create. It will generate a caption for you in seconds. Now, with the captions ready, if there is misordering, you can fix it. After that, select one and make it in the middle of the video. Make sure the Apply to All is selected, and choose a template that you like and apply it. Now we're done, so click on Export, name it whatever you want, and select the same settings as me, and click on Export. Now, be sure to do that, and I will see you guys in the next video.